The Alesis Sample Pad 4 is a compact tabletop percussion pad that fits easily into tight setups while still feeling sturdy and roadworthy. Its 4 velocity-sensitive rubber pads respond well to dynamics, so ghost notes, accents, and rolls all translate naturally in a live or studio context. A built-in collection of 25 percussion and electronic drum sounds spread across 8 kits gives you a solid palette to start playing immediately without any extra gear. The ability to load your own samples from a secure digital high-capacity card makes it simple to bring backing tracks, one-shots, and custom sounds into your performance. Onboard tuning, reverb, and flexible pad assignment let you shape and organize your sounds so the unit can cover everything from auxiliary percussion to main electronic kit duties. With a trigger input, MIDI connectivity, and straightforward computer integration, it also works well as a compact controller for larger drum rigs and software instruments.